Hello everyone, this is Professor Robert Solis. Welcome to this video lesson. This is an introduction to the course, the orientation to the course, so you don't have to come to campus to hear me, just simply show you that you will be using Canvas. Now this is our first time, and in the future obviously when you watch this video this won't be our first time using the Canvas learning management system, but if you go to our website, if you type in citruscollege.instructure.com, it'll take you to the Canvas website. It's also available off the Citrus College website. You can just simply click on Canvas, and this is how you'll log in. And in this particular case, it's for the CS225 course. So I see the home page, and there are 3 announcements, and so we can click on that. And so you'll see over here the welcome CS225 students, and over here there's going to be a hyperlink if I click on this video that you're actually watching. Let me go back to home. And let's see here. So if you don't know how to download Visual Studio, here's a hyperlink that shows you a video of how to download Visual Studio 2017 in this case. That's the operating system, I'm sorry, the graphical user interface that we're using. Actually, it's the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment that we're using. And at this point, Windows 10 is made available for free. I think it's like a 30-day version for free. So if you need Windows 10, you can download that. Let's take a look at the syllabus. I'll let you read that. The syllabus pretty much describes what the course content is, what the grading structure is. Basically, you have 5 exams and 1 final exam. You're going to have a bunch of quizzes, but those quizzes don't count. The quizzes prepare you for the exams. You're also going to have projects, but again, I don't grade the projects. I only grade the exams, and you have a total of 6 of those, and that's the breakdown. Here's what the tentative schedule is like from week 1 all the way to week 16. You'll see when the exams are due and the content of the course. Then we have the student learning outcomes as well. Basically what you'll do is you'll go to the modules section, and right now we see week 1 of 15. So you'll simply click on whatever the lesson plan is. I'm going to give you 2 lesson plans because I'm trying to mimic what I do in my traditional courses. So I have either a Monday, Wednesday or a Tuesday, Thursday course, and so that's 2 days that you'll obtain data from and lessons from. So if I click on day 1 lesson plan, so I'm saying over here, click over here to learn about downloading Visual Studio, click over here to introduce Visual Studio, click over here to learn about CIN, COUT, comments, variable declaration. I give you a lab project. Here's the answer, and then here's a video of how I actually developed that. So I'm trying to give you as much information as possible to help you to be successful in the class. And these are basically the lectures that I give to my students. I'm just recording them and now providing them for you. And then also I'm going to try to make sure that for every one of these lesson plans that there's a quiz for you to do. So if you click on this, that'll take you directly to the quiz, and then you'll answer all those questions. Those questions become the answers to the exam. So you definitely want to take notes when you're watching the video lessons. You want to be able to save all these quizzes because you're going to be taking all the quizzes and exams from home, and you want to establish as much of the notes as you possibly can. If I click next over here, that's going to take me to the day 2 lesson plan. And in this case, you have some additional video lessons. I'm telling you which chapters to read. Here's a lab. Here's what the lab requirements look like. Here's the code or the answer. And then here's a video lesson that helps you, guide you through that lab. And then over here, there's quiz number 2. So that's how it'll work out. You will go to the module section. Every Monday I'll try to update this. Actually, I will update this every Monday. So week 2 of 15, 3 of 15, and then of course week 16 is the final exam. And then when we get the exams completed, then that'll be listed in the grades section, and then you can go from there. And that's it. So this is Professor Robert Solis. I hope this video lesson was helpful. Have a good day. See you next time.